One of the most important things that a fill valve can do for your toilet is, number one, fill the toilet tank, and number two, fill the toilet bowl. Now, in the past, this hasn't been too much of an issue because you could pretty much use any type of fill valve. But now, more so than ever before, you need to get a universal fill valve. And Fluidmaster just came out with their professional level series of fill valves, and this one is called the PRO45H. And this is what a plumber or a contractor should use, primarily because you can use the PRO45H on any type of toilet. So it can be a high efficiency toilet, which flushes 1.28 gallons per flush, or it can be an older model of toilet, which is more than 3.5 gallons per flush, which is very inefficient. At that point, you should probably swap out the bowl, but sometimes you've got to keep the entire toilet tank and the bowl for whatever reason. So that's why you want to definitely take a look at the PRO45H, because you can use this for any type of toilet. So in today's video, we're just going to do a high-level overview of what the PRO45H is, why you should consider it if you're a professional plumber or contractor, and just why in general it's a great option. So first and foremost, it's got two control knobs on it. The first control knob is to adjust the height of the float and the level of the water in the toilet tank. The second knob is used to adjust the height of the water in the bowl. And this is really great for a professional because it means less traveling back and forth to try to find the right fill valve for the toilet. So why would you want to be adjusting the height in a tank? Well, that's something that is pretty obvious. The height of the water in the tank controls the efficiency of the flush in the toilet. But also controlling the height of the water in the bowl is equally important, because if there's too much water in the bowl, that water will spill over into the toilet bowl trap, and you're just wasting water, and it's not a good thing. So you definitely want to be able to control the height of the water in the tank, because that will lead to an efficient flush, but also you want to be able to save water by adjusting the height of the toilet bowl water. The installation of the PRO45H is super easy to do. It's just like any other fill valve. You simply install it into the tank, tighten it down by hand, and adjust the height of the actual fill valve so that it will be the right level for that particular toilet. Once that's done, you want to flush the toilet to make sure that you have the right water level in the tank. Remember, the water level should be about 1/2 inch to 1 inch below the fill pipe. You also want to check to make sure that the water spot in the bowl, so the height of the water in the bowl, is at the right level too. And if these water levels need to be adjusted, you can do that with the different knobs on the top of the PRO45H. If you're a plumber or a professional contractor, make sure you check out the PRO45H by Fluidmaster. It's ideal for high efficiency toilets. Pretty much any toilet out there it'll work in, and it'll reduce the amount of time that you're fiddling around with adjusting the water both in the tank and the bowl. So make sure you check out the PRO45H.